Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says we have to find out the determinant of this thing. Okay. Now, so in this session, you will understand the approach how to deal with determinants, how to crack it in easiest possible way. Now, when you will talk about the JEE point of view, there are certain metrics whose determinant is important. Okay, and this is one of the important determinant. So, first, try to understand the approach. Later, try to memorize this result. Okay, if possible. Now look at this. If you will observe, like on any way, if I'll ask you to find out the determinant of this thing, you can find out, but it will be little bit complicated. Later you will open this thing along any row or any column. Later you have to do factorization, so this will become little bit complicated. So to simplify those approach, what you should do, you have to apply certain transformations. So suppose that you don't have any problem with this row. Okay, so you want to apply row transformation. So what we will do, using this row, I will make this component 0 because it is possible, and I will make this component 0 because this is also possible. Okay, now look at the transformation I am applying. So I am applying transformation on row 2. How? So row 2 minus row 1. This is the transformation which I want to apply. Now look at this, and the result will remain the same, as you know property of this thing. Now look at this, you know that you are not disturbing row 1, so keep that thing as it is, 1 a square. Now you are subtracting row 2 minus row 1, so this thing will become 0, correct? Then this thing will become b minus a, this thing will become b square minus a square. Comfortable? Now also you can manipulate row 3. So look at the transformation which I am applying in row 3. So it is row 3 minus row 1. So I am using only one row to manipulate other two rows. So this thing will become 0, this thing will become c minus a, this thing will become c square minus a square. I hope this thing is okay. Now let's open this thing little bit more. So 1 0 0 a b minus a c minus a, then a square. Here I will apply a square minus b square formula. So b plus a, b minus a, c plus a, c minus a. Okay, now you know that if there is a possibility of taking something common from the determinant, you should take common from a particular row or particular column, correct? So look at this, you have b minus a over here, you have b minus a over here. So can I take b minus a common from row 2? B minus a. And if you'll observe row 3, it is c minus a, c minus a. So can I take c minus a common from row 3? And how does the remaining thing look like? So 1 0 0 a 1 1 a square b plus a c plus a. Comfortable? Now what we have to do, we will open the determinant along this column, and it will be easy because the two components are 0. When you will open this thing along this, it will make everything else 0, correct? So let's open. So it is b minus a, c minus a, and we have one time this into this minus this into this, correct? So it is c plus a minus b minus a. minus 0 time anything will be 0, plus 0 time anything will be 0. So this thing is done. So a minus a gone. Okay, so we are left with, look at this, b minus a, c minus a, and c minus b. If you will observe, like suppose I am giving you three elements a b c, and you have to write down this thing this way, so you will always prefer a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, but this is not going in that direction. So what I will do, I will take minus common from this to make a minus b, a minus b, minus common. C minus a is okay. Okay, and look at this, here also I will take minus common, so it will become b minus a, so minus minus will become plus, b minus c, and then c minus a. So it is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. So from now onwards, whenever you will observe 1 a square, 1 b square, 1 c square, what you have to do, you have to write a minus b, a b minus c, c minus a. And right now this is in alphabet, these guys can use the numbers as well. So you have to observe the question. Okay, so and while in the examination you need not to do this much of mazduri, directly you guys can use the result if you remember those. Okay, so let's let's try some other illustrations. See you guys in the next session of Mathflix.